everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion, another episode, another new recipe. Well, wedding season starts here again, and I went to a veggie party last night and I had some awesome baked Rosogolla, and obviously today also I'm craving for that, but I can't have it. So I thought of making that baked Rosogolla at home, and I want to share my version of baked Rosogolla recipe with you. Well, we Bengali already crazy about our Rosogolla, and nowadays baked Rosogolla is very famous. So without further saying, let's get started and learn how you can make awesome baked Rosogolla at home. So first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new, and also don't forget to like, share and comment on the comment section below. So now I'll end my talking here and start making baked Rosogolla because I'm craving for some hot baked Rosogolla. Let's get started. For making baked Rosogolla, here I have taken 600 ml evaporated milk. For making evaporated milk, take 1 liter of milk and reduce it to 600 ml. Now I'm going to heat it up just a little bit over high flame so that the koa mixes up with it nicely. So here I have taken 75 grams of koa kheer or mawa, and that I have grated so that it easily mix with the liquid or milk. Now bring it to boil over high flame and stir it continuously so that it does not stick to the bottom and burn. Make sure you scrape the sides occasionally. Okay, now add 2 tablespoons of milk maid and mix it as well. And over high flame, thicken it up a little bit. After that, lower down the heat and add the khejur gur or date palm jaggery. I'm going to make Nolen Gurer baked Rosogolla, so I'm adding gur. You can use sugar if you want, and you can adjust the sweetness according to your taste. So you can see they have thickened up more. This is the consistency you need. That will be rubbery like consistency. So here I have taken some Nolen Gurer Rosogolla, 12 pieces of Nolen Gurer Rosogolla. I like it, I like the flavor of Nolen Gurer Rosogolla, so I'm using it, but you can definitely use the regular white Rosogolla for making the baked Rosogolla. Now in a micro safe glass bowl, I am smearing some of the hot liquid. Just a very thin layer of the liquid or milk mixture. Meanwhile, I'm preheating my oven at 180 degree. Keep your oven ready. Now I'm going to squeeze out all the sugar syrup or rosh from the Rosogolla and place it on the milk mixture. Make sure you squeeze out all the liquid, otherwise that liquid will make the baked Rosogolla runny. So all the 12 Rosogollas are arranged. So now we are going to pour the hot milk mixture over it. Make sure the milk mixture is hot, because if it's cool they will not absorb. So hot mixture will be instantly absorbed by the Rosogollas, and the Rosogolla will be very soft. Okay, you can turn them over just a little bit. So now bake it at 180 degree Celsius for 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, the baked Rosogolla is ready. Doesn't it look just like the one you have it in weddings or in party or in the shops? So within 30 minutes and in half of the cost, you made this awesome baked Rosogolla. So if you want to have it, just follow my recipe and do it. And I hope you like the recipe, so make sure you hit the like button, share with your friends and comment in the comment section below. Thank you.